Hall Rewards, the easy way to save more on sales, service, parts, and body shop repairs. With Hall Rewards, it's easy to earn points, redeem them, and save. Earn points on just about anything. Plus, earn credits to use towards body shop repairs and service pickup and delivery. You can redeem your points and credits at any time. Visit us at any Hall location across Virginia Beach and Elizabeth City. And best of all, there's no limit on how much you can earn and save. Keeping track of your points and credits is easy too. All you have to do is visit hallrewards.com, activate your account, and you'll be able to log in to check your point and credit balances, savings, and more. Or ask a Hall team member and they'll be happy to tell you how many points you have available. Also earn 2 free pickup and delivery round-trip credits for your next service visit when you purchase a new vehicle at a Hall location. You can use your pickup and delivery credits from a vehicle purchase or convert your Hall Rewards points into pickup and delivery credits. Ready to redeem your points? Just let us know and watch your points transform into big savings. On top of everything Hall Rewards has to offer, you'll receive exclusive Hall benefits. Earn, redeem, save. It's that easy. Visit hallrewards.com today to learn more.